Hello everyone, welcome to today's grammar lesson. Today we are going to learn about prepositions. Do you know words like in, on, under, and behind? These are called prepositions. Let's learn them with easy examples and fun sentences. Let's start. The first preposition is in. Something is inside something. For example, the puppy is in the box. On. On means something is on the surface of something. The book is on the table. Under. Under means something is below or beneath something. The cat is under the table. Near. Near means something is close to something else. The dog is near the boy. Between. Between means something is in the middle of two things. The boy is between the two dogs. Over. It tells us that something is above another object and not in contact with it. The plane is flying over the house. Above. It tells us that something or someone is located or positioned higher than something else. For example, the bird is flying above the dog. Behind. It tells us that something or someone is at the back of another person or thing. The boy is standing behind the tree. In front of. It tells us that a person or thing is positioned ahead of another. The boy is standing in front of the car. Up. This tells us that someone or something is moving from a lower position to a higher position. For example, the cat climbed up the ladder. Beside. It tells us that something or someone is next to someone or something at the side. The girl is standing beside her dog. Through. It tells us that someone or something moves from one side to the other side, going inside something. The boy is riding his bicycle through the tunnel. Thank you for watching.